The Erdinger Weißbräu wheat beer brewery has been modernizing its bottling operations and has accordingly invested in some new lines from Krones. For the market leader in Germany's wheat beer segment, this means one of the biggest ever investment projects in the firm's entire history. The privately owned brewery has replaced the entire filling section in two of its lines. In a third line, modernized the dry end from the filler hall's exit, connected all its bottling lines via a new pack conveyor system, routed through a tunnel to equally new palletizing centers on the other side of the street, and supplied a higher level order management system as well as modernizing the existing line documentation system. The new lines are not only replacements for their aging predecessors. Erdinger Weißbräu also sees them as heralding a new era in terms of versatile flexibility and energy economy. The requirements involved for the new Krones machines were correspondingly stringent. Increased output coupled with consistently high quality, energy media efficient, resource economical operations, and not least, improved ergonomics for the staff. All this is now possible with the new Krones lines. After the bottles have been depalletized, inspected and sorted, they are fed by a conveyor to the bottle washer. The Krones Lavatec E4 cleans the bottles so they are ready to be filled. A downstream Leanertronic empty bottle inspector checks the washed bottle for damage, residual liquid, caustic residues, etc., and will automatically eject any defective containers. A Krones modal fill then fills the glass bottles with wheat beer and wheat beer-based mixed drinks at speeds of up to 55,000 containers per hour. The check mat then inspects the bottles for fill level and closure presence. If the preset parameters are not satisfied, the containers concerned will be automatically ejected straight away. Depending on the product category involved, the bottles are first passed through the Pasteur Linaflex pasteurizer before they are fed into the labeler. An upstream in-feed worm ensures that the containers enter the machine in an orderly flow, thus helping to prevent or minimize abrasion at the bottles, known as scuffing. The multimodal now dresses the containers in cold glue labels. An automatic magazine changeover capability ensures an uninterrupted production flow and eases the operator's workload. Immediately after the bottles have been labeled, a check mat inspects the label positioning, the best before date, the batch data, and also the fill level for a second time. The bottles now arrive at the line's highlights. Two Varioline packaging systems working in parallel. These are the most versatile piece of kit that Krones has ever built. A single machine, you see, handles both non-returnable formats and returnable crates. On the same machine, for example, both 6-packs can be placed in cartons and 0.5-litre bottles in returnable crates. Each of the Varioline packing systems is able to create a total of around 40 different packaging variants. And of course, when it comes to combination options, that's nowhere near the limits of their potential capabilities. The Varioline will be able to handle even more variants in the future. After they leave the packing systems, the packs are then passed to the palletizing center on the other side of the street using a 400-meter-long underground connecting tunnel. A modal pal then palletizes the finished packs and prepares them for dispatch or for storage in the high bay warehouse.